watched a documentary about the King's Cross Steelers, the world's first gay rugby inclusive team. Spoke to my friend, the other founder, Rob. Sort of said, oh, I always liked rugby, I've never played it, never felt comfortable in sort of mainstream teams. What if we set up our own team here, because no one else is going to do it, we might as well do it. So when we started, first training session, there was me, Rob and Mike. We weren't sure if people were going to want to travel to where we were to come and play. But we've had people from Anglesey, we've had people down from the Earls Westry, people from Buckley come to train with us. So it's grown since that first session.
We've seen over 30 players now get involved, most of whom have never played rugby before. There's a real sense of community around it, but also it's just completely changed the North Wales rugby landscape. It's the first IGR team we've had in North Wales, and it's led to the growth of a second in Wrexham, so the impact is enormous.
I moved here from Manchester about 2 years ago, and I didn't have anything in regards to a social life after being here. I met one of the members when we was out drinking one night by myself, and he kind of mentioned that there's an inclusive club. I hadn't played in 17 years since high school, and I just thought that might be quite fun to go on to, but I put it off for a while. I was nervous, meeting new people, but I had nothing to be nervous about because everyone's absolutely great. And it kind of gave me a whole new life, really, I suppose, around them, which I'm very thankful to them for.
So I started off playing about 6 years ago for the women's team, and then when I started my medical transition, kind of found a couple of snags with that and found very quickly that I wasn't allowed to play female rugby anymore. Absolutely heartbroken, and it sent me into a really bad spiral of depression, you know, and I took some time off work, took some time out of sport, and just completely closed down and shut down. When I came to these guys, completely relaxed me straight into it, and very quickly found my feet within the club and just went, why did I leave it so long?
I was so proud of this club. The work that they've done and the environment that they create for each other and for anybody else who walks onto the pitch is exactly what GOGA aspires to achieve. It's fun, it's friendly, there's no egos, they're welcoming, there's no judgment. Oh, I could just talk about that all day. No, they're amazing.
Oh, I'm ecstatically proud of what we've achieved, and we've gone from people who've never picked up a rugby ball before to learning how to play rugby, how to throw, how to tackle, to playing their first games, to in April playing at the Principality Stadium for a WRU event. It was, you know, I'm so proud of the team and every individual and what they've achieved.
I'm very proud to be a member. I'm proud to be part of something like this. It's the first club in North Wales, I believe, that actually is all inclusive and anyone's welcome to join. So it's a huge deal, and when people ask about it, I'm really, really, really happy to tell them everything I know.
They're an incredible team. They're so welcoming, they're full of love, and they really are. And they've never cared about who I was or where I've come from. They've only ever gone, you play rugby? Yeah, come on then, let's play. It wells you up a little bit, it gets you a bit emotional. But they are probably the best bunch of guys I've ever had to play with, and been privileged to play with. Every single one of them is just a fantastic individual. There is such a stigma behind gay rugby, and actually, they're breaking down all of these walls. They are crushing it.